issued a flash flood warning for western Delaware County, southeastern Union County, until 12:15 p.m. At 9:19 a.m., radar indicated that heavy rain had fallen across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen in western Delaware County. Gauge reports between Marysville and Delaware indicate rainfall of up to 3/4 of an inch in about 15 minutes, and in some cases nearly 2 inches in an hour. Some locations that could experience flooding include Delaware, Ashley, and Powell. Do not enter or cross flowing water or water of unknown depth. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.